So today I had issues with the business. I had very big issues with the business, but I just finished dealing with them. So let me talk a bit about that. So I had my ads. Actually, no, started off last night. I was in the middle of posting my ads. It was around midnight. And I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people don't share this stuff. I don't give a fuck. I literally fell asleep. I fell asleep. I'm guilty. I fell asleep making the ads, yes. I was lying down with my laptop and I honestly zoned the fuck out and I knocked out. So the ads were not posted today, but then I did finish the work today and posted it earlier on today. It was scheduled for tomorrow morning. And then I got my ad account banned. And it's so crazy because I've heard about everyone getting their ad accounts banned, it's so common. And I'm like, but that never happened to me. So weird. But today it happened. I have no idea why. It says I violate some guidelines. I have fucking no idea. So I just spent the last 3 hours around maybe in total fixing it up because it was very complicated. I couldn't create a new ad account because I reached the max and I had to delete. Honestly, it's a lot technical. I don't even want to talk about it and my brain's really tired. I literally just finished remaking the ads. So I decided to do $25 for a CBO campaign with 3 ads. And then I decided to do another campaign with 5 ad sets of ABO and $5 each, which is another $25, so it's $50 in total. That's the way I decided to set my ads. I want to see which is better, CBO or ABO. So we'll see. Right now, I just finished uploading them, and now hopefully they're in review and I don't get banned this time and they actually go live. That would be very nice. But today, I had a great talk with my boy, and honestly, I want to talk about it here today. And I don't know if you see this. Do you see this? The view of the city is beautiful. Huh? I'm going back home soon. Tomorrow's my last day, so it was a nice trip. I'll talk about that in another video. But we talked about today about how we sometimes have doubt creep in, and I like to say it's normal, right? We're humans, and there could be multiple reasons why you have doubt or you're anxious or stress. And as men, you should really sit down and just analyze what it could be. Maybe it's a loss. Maybe it's a loss of sense of direction. Maybe it's you're losing faith. Maybe you don't trust in yourself. And we talked about today the different options of what it could be, and we kind of figure it out why even me, I've been stressed lately about if it was going to work. But what I really realized, what really switched my life, when I used to be stressed a lot and now I'm not anymore, and a few things really changed my mindset towards that. And one, it was religion. I got closer to God, and when I first learned and taught myself that believing and trusting in God is the number one priority, and He is the best planner, and everything that happens in your life is there for a reason. So when I guess put trust not only in myself but into a higher power, it makes me feel better, and I feel less stressed, because even if it's something bad, I know that there is a better reason why it happened, rather than just me failing and feeling dumb and stupid, right? So that was one. I definitely another one was I got rid of timelines. I used to tell myself that, in 3 months I'm gonna be, you guys saw the video, you can go check on my YouTube channel. I was like, yeah, in 3 months I'm gonna be in Thailand or Bali, dropped out of school, and when a month hit, and even it's not like I didn't do the work, I was doing the work, but when a month hit and I wasn't reaching my goals, I got nervous, I got stressed and had a timeline. But instead of looking at just the results, you should look at the journey, you should look at the process, and you should look at and focus on who you're becoming rather than the progress and the results. Sorry, not the progress, I mean just the results. Because at the end of the day, money is just money. It's a tool. It's not really important. Yes, we really need it right now because the way society works, at the level we are, we need money. But overall, in the grand scheme of things, money is not really important. Money is actually just a tool. I plan on generating a lot of that money to use it as a tool to help me become more free and to help me focus on more important things. But at the end of the day, you should really just be focusing on who you are as a person and who you are developing. Are you doing the right things every day? Are you surrounding yourself with the right people? Do you have the right mindset? That's what's more important than the results. Just focusing instead of a future timeline down the line and that you have to reach it no matter what. You may force yourself to do stuff that you shouldn't do. I think you really should just focus on day by day. Are you a better person than yesterday? And even if you're not, sometimes you screw up. It doesn't matter. If you look at a chart, right, and it's not just a smooth line way up. It's gonna go this. It's gonna go up and down. But if you look at the grand scheme of things, if you look at over a year rather than just a day or a week, the trend is going to be up if you keep doing the work, right? You're going to have your days where it's down. But usually when you go up and you go down a bit, it goes more up. Because after every failure, you should be learning and you should be taking in the lessons, because it's not a failure. You never give up, because giving up is failure. It's a lesson. So, like I said, hopefully these ads get posted for tomorrow morning. And I truly believe they'll work. I have a good feeling about this one. And I always say that. But if I didn't say that, then why would I be in business? You know, like, you have to have that confidence, right? But worst comes to worst, nothing happens, right? I've been here. I've done that. You know, like, I failed already. And it's just another opportunity to grow and to learn and to try something else. And maybe that will work, you know? Like, you have to be more optimistic about it, because it's really important, your mindset, because the journey is long and hard. It doesn't come by day. It's very long. So you need to train your mental model to be able to withstand the hard times for a long period of time, right? So when you reframe your mental model to positivity, optimism, and I truly believe in religion and God. If you focus on that and your personal growth rather than just your finance and your money and just your results. If you just look at who you are as a person, what your direction is, if you believe in God, believe in yourself, everything will be good. Enjoy life, enjoy it. It's not supposed to, it's not supposed to be like you want to die or you want to you're stressed constantly. That's not how we should be living life. Even though, yes, sometimes being in your basement for 9 hours straight of work is not fun, but I enjoy the journey. I enjoy it. I truly do, and I truly mean it, and I'm very grateful for every second of it. Because you know what? A lot of people woke up today and they have to find food, find water to survive, or some people didn't even wake up today. I get the opportunity to wake up every day and strive for success, to better myself, and to conquer this world. So if you really just build this mental model to positivity and optimism, your journey is going to be a breeze. Even though it might have the downs, it's going to be easy for you. So please remember, it's not all about the results. With that being said, I really hope that this is going to work tomorrow and I have some fucking sales and I'm rich. This time I think it is. I think it's it. But we'll talk tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. And but again, it's all in the mind. I'm happy no matter what. At the end of the day, I truly am. I truly am. No matter the results, I'm happy with who I am, the work I'm doing, what kind of mindset I have, because it's just gonna get better, and the results are gonna follow along. But this was a bit of a longer video, but honestly, it's a good one. It's an important one, and I really hope you absorb this knowledge. I really absorb the words that I'm saying. I know it's hard to absorb some vlog of just me ranting, but really truly understand the value and the meaning behind this. It's truly important and it's life-changing. So I truly wish you the success in life. I'm a people's person. I really wish everyone could, enjoy life and be happy. So I truly wish that for you. You do got to work hard, but it's all in the mind. And when you fix your mind, you have a positive mindset. That is when I'll see you at the top.